Hello, and welcome back to my channel. There is some fruits that helps in human digestive system. Papaya contains papain, an enzyme that helps break down proteins and aids in digestion. Rich in fiber, which supports bowel regularity and digestive health. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme that aids in the digestion of proteins, which aids in maintaining proper digestive function. Berries, such as strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, high in fiber and antioxidants, which promote healthy digestion and support gut health. Helps in maintaining a balanced microbiome in the gut. Oranges are rich in vitamin C and fiber, which support overall digestive health. Helps in preventing digestive disorders and maintains bowel regularity. Kiwi are high in fiber, which promotes bowel regularity and prevents constipation. Contains actinidine, an enzyme that aids in protein digestion. Apples rich in soluble fiber, particularly pectin, which supports digestive health by regulating bowel movements. Bananas contains dietary fiber, which supports healthy digestion and prevents constipation. Provides electrolytes like potassium, which aids in maintaining proper digestive function. These fruits are beneficial for digestion due to their fiber content. Enzymes, such as papain and bromelain, vitamins, and antioxidants.